礼拜一我们带 Stephen 来还书，然后借几本新书，给他选一些跟体育有关的书。L M
E S E F F。
我们给 Stephen 选了4本书，一个是一个冰球英雄叫 Howie， 他的故事，然后还有一个是近大远小的一个画册，比如说 Yeah Hockey Puck， 这个比如说这个是远，这个是近，这个是近，这个是远，对，很多颜色，然后还有这个也是颜色，比较适合 Stephen 看。然后还有恐龙 ABC 不同字母开头的恐龙，这个我也可以学，因为有些词我都不会，可以跟 Stephen 一起学 ABCDEFG 的开头的恐龙。OK， 好，4本。Done， 妈妈 press done。Yes。print receipt。Thank you。哦。Fantastic, good job. 好了，我们借了4本新的书，然后把它放到车上，然后我们再来 story time, OK? Stephen 还是选择了玩滑梯。Stephen， 这是什么呀？水水，有水水 ，OK？今天我们去 Richmond Nature Park， 我带了200到500焦段，然后尼康的 D3， 然后练一下就是打鸟，然后带了一个501.2和半亿像素的一个5D SR， 练一下在丛林里面拍人像的感觉。所以今天的任务就是练一下2个技能，最近学的。今天我们去感受一下大自然 ，OK？今天我重装岛，这包大概有15斤。妈妈，我们今天去哪里啊？
美国。
什么？
美国。
去美国啊？你要去美国？你喜欢去美国吗？嗨，我们今天去大自然。Are you ready, Stephen?
I'm 大点声。
Daddy。
出发。给 Stephen 带了自行车。今天他们这边好像在装修，我们进来了，里面就是一个 trail， 走一圈的话大概1个小时吧，走走看看1个小时。我暂时没有跟 Fanny 说，这里有很多鸟。哇，这边还有滑梯，感觉今天来对地方了。
OK，I'm，
毛毛，这边有3个鸭子。
嗯，扶你 OK。建议5到12岁的小孩子。
妈妈扶你。
扶你，好，扶你。
妈妈没有。
有，就叫上。
妈妈没有。
手手给爸爸看看。
东西能帮你吗？
爸爸不。
你看。
爸爸手上也都是东西，怎么帮？先拖叫啊！
刚才拍到了几张蜂鸟的照片，很漂亮。
Oh my god！
Oh, that's a big one. 这边鸟很多。
啊，妈妈呀吧！这2个是负重
重装党
50斤。
这个回家称一下多重 ，Stephen 回家称一下，还有这个书包
Stephen 28斤，
小50斤应该有。咦？妈妈，你去哪里呀？
爸爸。爸爸。
是我呀，妈妈。
感觉今天被太阳晒得非常的过瘾。
Okay. What did Carmen get you? What did Carmen get you? Stefan, open it. Oh, he's good. He's good.
Practice for next week.
Rip it. Reaction king. Rip it. Oh,
Do you
what
know
is
what
it?
it is?
Bubble.
Yeah, you got it. Okay. Stefan, what does this say? Whose name is that?
Oh, what letter is this?
And then? He's already going for it.
Okay, let me open this for you.
Stefan, 这谁的名字? Whose name is this? S? Ma Xiong, that's right, Ma Xiong's name. So it says, Stefan, will you bring our ring bearer? What do you say, yes or no? Yes, okay,
you
there
can
we
have
go.
this
Now you
now.
can open it.
This is for you to wear.
I think it goes around the neck.
I'm gonna put this around you.
And just do it. He's wearing a collar today. Perfect.
Yay!
Okay, I'm pretty sure that's not
But to make it
how it
smaller.
fits, yeah. I'll do it. 别动，别动，妈妈给你搞小一点。
He's gonna rip it. I don't think he likes how tight it is. Well, because it's in his mouth.
让妈妈帮你吗
Next time. You
What
won't
is
like
that?
this. Is it a bird?
Bubble.
No. Okay.
It's not bubble.
Not bubble. I don't think you've done this
Oh,
before.
What is that? Stefan, what is that? Oh, Lord Jesus, I know what it is. Oh, Lord Jesus, I know. He knows what it is.
Ever
too. What's this? We saw this today at the park. What is it?
You saw a turtle?
What's it? What is this, Stefan? It's a Yeah, turtle, and then you can use this brush.
Have you ever painted?
Oh God. Oh, see, Carmen E wrapped it so nicely, and you should rip it. Never mind. Like you should rip it nicely. Never mind.
However you want.
What is it? Oh, you know what this is?
I know Franny likes it.
God, the floor. 妈妈，这什么呀？我们在奶奶家玩过，这什么呀？叫踩什么 ？I think you need to open it to know what it is.
Okay.
叫踩什么？踩泥？Do you remember? Play-Doh. Can you say Play-Doh? Yeah.
礼拜4的饭后晚上，还是有孩子们在训练。我估计他们要8、9点吃晚饭。Shoot, Stefan, shoot! Yeah, that counts. 我妈妈都会后脚跟停球了。Stefan tap tap， 1、2、3、4、5。我妈妈是在 dribble 吗？毛毛，可不可以传给爸爸？爸爸再传给你。Pass。Kick 给爸爸好不好？用力一点。Nice。好，爸爸给你了。3、2、1。OK。Nice。我们去玩滑梯。
我数3下，在我好好说话的时候。